We're gonna have to record like this because I've tried to record this 3 times and it will not let me be great. In terms of professional development, I feel like now professional development can come in a lot of different ways versus before it was like you had to take a workshop, you had to take a course, but now I feel like there are so many easy, cheap, and sometimes even free ways to deepen your knowledge as a teacher, and I'm going to share some of those tips in this video. So number 1 is going to be the easiest, cheapest option is podcasts. There are so many podcasts out there. Literally, if you're looking to deepen your knowledge on a topic, Google it. I bet you can find a podcast option on it. And I could do a video of the podcast that I enjoy listening to. If you would like to find a topic that you enjoy listening to the podcast. And that's an easy way to do it on your drive to work, on your drive home, when you're working out. Podcasts are a quick and easy way to deepen your knowledge as a teacher. The second one is books, which is still a little bit cheaper if you use Audible, or if you're in the States, there's a website called Thrift Books that I absolutely love. It's basically a thrift store for books. So you can get really great books, super, super cheap, and their delivery is pretty quick. So if there's a topic that you're interested in, like for example, right now I'm really focusing on learning more about inquiry-based teaching to improve my teaching. And so I'm looking up all kinds of books about that, people who are very knowledgeable on the subject, and I'm literally getting all their books and I'm reading them. And that is a great way to deepen your knowledge. You shouldn't need someone to tell you to deepen your knowledge as a teacher. You should always want to be expanding and learning more in this profession. And then the third way is there are a lot of companies that host free workshops online. For example, the company or the program that we use at my school is called Toddle. They host a lot of free workshops for teachers across various subjects, mostly about how to use their platform, but also about plenty of other things. And usually the workshops are free. You just have to sign up for it with your email. They'll send you a link and you can join the workshop when they start. Another place I know that does this a lot is Kahoot. I've actually signed up for one this weekend. I think this is this weekend, I need to check. But they do a lot of free workshops as well, same type of thing. Sign up for it, you get the link, and then you're able to watch it live. So these are just some tips and tricks about professional development. It doesn't have to be super expensive to deepen your knowledge as a teacher. Another tip is ask your school if they have a budget for professional development for teachers, because that could be twofold. If you're in a new country and you're able to travel somewhere else to do professional development, you get to travel, see a new place, and you get to expand your knowledge as a teacher. So I feel like that's a nice 2-for-1. So make sure you check with your school about opportunities for that. I hope this was helpful. We are back again with day 21 tomorrow of 30 days of teaching you how to teach abroad. I'll see you there.